Absolutely crazy week it has been. And again, this news this week was probably the most pivotal week in the financial markets. And we had, obviously, you guys know Trump winning, all right? Last week in the video, I told you all that this week's going to be critical. And yes, Trump won. Landslide victory, 312 votes, electoral votes that he actually got in a landslide victory. The markets reacted absolutely insane, right? And the markets pumped. We're going to go through that in a bit. Beyond that, we also saw the Federal Reserve Jerome Powell cutting interest rates by another 25 basis points as well, right? So with this was already kind of expected, and hey, we are on this tapering down of interest rates. So last week I mentioned that these two news are going to be very important, and the interest rate cuts followed by Trump. I told you guys is going to be very bullish news. And how did the market react? The markets went crazy, right? As of the time of this video, we saw a break past. This is Bitcoin, right? We saw a break past the resistance levels at that 72,000, and we just went crazy. Right now, as we speak, we crossed now. Right now, as of today's date, we are at $79,000, hitting almost 80 grand, right? Like, we are very clearly in this new leg up. Cryptos are absolutely flying. Let me explain to you guys something. We have the most crypto friendly president, right? The most crypto friendly policies. Gary Gensler is probably going to be sacked by Donald Trump, right? We're looking for um, the US is going to have a strategic reserve on Bitcoin, right? Some absolutely bullish news coming out for crypto, and the market is reacted extensively. You guys can see it's a sea of green, man. It's crazy. Holy, right? Portfolio is absolutely pumping. My personal portfolio has hit all-time highs. It's been amazing. That's for Bitcoin. What about the S&P 500? How did we do for the S&P 500? Right? Again, another extremely bullish week. All-time highs again. Market just absolutely just boom, right? Just reacted amazing. SPX doing absolutely amazing. Um, Elon Musk, right? Throughout the entire news, with Tesla just shooting up through the roof as well. What an amazing week for Tesla, right? Tesla has just shot through the roof. If not mistaken, he's actually become one of the richest men in the world again, right? Not really at all-time highs yet, but very soon. We suffered for Tesla for a while, but Tesla has looked to reawaken, right? So for equities positions, we are seeing a nice uptrend right now. If I'm looking at a long-term trend line, right, we are seeing a very good, nice pump up for Tesla. Good, obviously with Trump winning, Elon Musk is obviously in a favorable position to basically be able to get policies that will favor Tesla. So again, Tesla is awake again after months, actually years, right? Pretty much the last time it was a high was in 2021, my friends, right? Since then, it's just been, shit. But right now, we're looking to revive and moving to this next leg. I think, that is very bullish news for Tesla, right? Bitcoin, SPX, just shooting to all time highs, which is amazing, right? And again, with interest rate dropping as well, I think that's fantastic news. Let's talk about some of Elon's favorite coins and stuff, right? So even for Doge as well, you guys can see, we've broken past that high, and we're shooting past all-time highs, as in we're shooting past the previous highs, and we're looking to break that right now, right? So let's go, man. Doge has been doing absolutely amazing, right? All these were bets that we were betting on heavily in our community, right? Post pre Donald Trump, right? So that's been amazing. Doge has just gone nuts. Ah man, this is amazing. So I love it, right? It's something that I absolutely love. So what do we have to watch out for right now, right? So in this period of elation, it's important to be calm and to understand basically what we got to do. Should we lay off and let off some profits? Absolutely do think so. So it really depends on your appetite for risk, right? Currently, right now, if I'm looking at crypto, the fear and greed index currently right now we're sitting at 78 levels, right? We are at extreme greed levels, right? So that's not good, right? We're extreme greed levels. So my Again, will there be corrections that will happen? There will always be corrections that happen. But right now we're at extreme greed, right? So if there's something you should be doing, I don't think you should be going ham on your positions right now. In fact, I think you should be layering off, laddering off some profits. That's something that is very, very, very important to actually do, right? So lay off, let off some profits. Right now we're at extreme greed levels, man. So again, I love entering when we're at fear levels below 50 and stuff. Right now we're here, so personally for myself, I'm laddering off profits myself, right? Still keeping some positions in play, but just taking off some profits off the table, waiting for the next retracement. Hopefully, it does happen, man. I'm just seeing the market just go higher and higher, and hopefully, we do see a good correction so that I can take advantage of some uh, um, good discounts, right? So that's basically what I'm waiting for, right? That's for Bitcoin. Even for the normal Fear and Greed index, if I just type in a normal fear and greed index for normal investor sentiment, right? Even that currently right now we are definitely at greed levels, right? This is referring to the overall markets with regards to the S&P 500, and we are definitely at greed levels, right? So that is not necessarily a bad thing, right? Like obviously there's momentum, it can push even higher, but my personal style of investing is I love buying in red, and as market participants come clamoring into the markets to try and get some, that's when you want to be scaling out and letting them, selling your profits to them, right? So that's basically my style of investing. Something to watch out for, guys. So anyways, this is absolutely brilliant. You guys got to watch out, right? And again, please, every week we'll update, right? As of now, the update is it's been bullish, it's fantastic, things are really climbing up, we have room to run even further, but let's just wait for a proper breather. There should be a breather that will happen soon. Let's wait for a breather before we get into this next leg, right? So that's the video update for today. I hope you guys found this video useful. Stay tuned for the next video update. See you guys soon.